Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We did talk yesterday about this new meme coin on Solana blockchain called Gummy and why I'm interested in this meme coin. And I did a video yesterday about it, and I would like to do some updates about this meme coin and some updates about the airdrop and how you can qualify for the airdrop. So let's start first with the website. You can see here, this is a funny website with just some information about the meme coin and Gumminomics. This is crazy. Tokenomics now become Gumminomics. So this is this nutrition fact, serving size, setup and marketing is 10%, airdrop is 30%, fair lunch raise into liquidity 6%, team 0%, founders 0%, community 100%. So this is 100% community token. So the team and the founder, they're not gonna take any percent from this token. It's 100% for a team, for the community. 100% community meme. And why I'm interested in this Gummy meme coin, because the guy behind this token, he is a famous YouTuber, and his channel is Crypto Banter. That's his pictures here. So he is the one behind this token, and you can see here he has 761,000 subscribers. So everybody is watching his channel, and he's making videos about his meme coin. And you can go here to Twitter, and you can see here the OG edible on Sol launching soon, airdrop details soon. So we just had an update about the airdrop 4 hours ago. So by the time I'm gonna upload this video on YouTube, it's gonna be more than 4 hours. So there is 4 ways to get free Gummy pre-launch. So there is 4 ways to get airdrop the Gummy before the launch. It's free money. You can get it. So how you can participate and you get a free airdrop? So first you have to download banterbubbles.com application, and you can see on the top of the application you can see there is like you can earn points, you can farm points. So more points you get, more airdrops, more tokens you get. Second options, open an account on Bluefin Official. There is no KYC needed for it. Use the link. You have to use their link to be qualified. You're not just gonna go and open an account on here on this exchange. You have to use their link. Like this you can qualify for the airdrops. So let's go down here. The third option, open an account on Bybit Official, and you have to use their link again to open a Bybit Official. The fourth option, join and complete the Sniper School. I did this one already, because you have to go, when you click on here, you can see here, I did all this steps, and I keep going. I'm doing every, like this morning I was doing, yesterday I did some, and I'm going forward with this. Like this I can earn more tokens. So this is the 4 options you have. So start farming as soon as fan. So you have 4 options, like I said. Let's recap again. The first one, download the banterbubble.com app, and more points you farm, more tokens you get. Second option, open an account on Bluefin official, no KYC needed. Use the link. You have to use their link to be qualified for the airdrop. The third option, open an account on Bybit official using their link again. The fourth option, join and complete the sniper school. So what you have to do, you have to click on this link and follow the steps. That's all what you have to do. And they didn't ask me for my credit card or debit card or anything. I just was given my email address and log in and keep following the steps and watching the videos. That's all what I did yesterday and this morning. So guys, that's why I did this video, just to give you some update about this project. And like I said, why I'm interested in this project, because the guy behind this meme token, he is a famous guy. He has a lot of subscribers. That means there is more people joining this every day. And you can see here how many subscribers they have in here. 1 second. Let's go back here. You can see here, yesterday when I did the video was 20,000. Now it's 21,000.2K. So 1,200 people just joined between yesterday and today. And it's growing more. And you can see here this famous YouTubers too, he's talking about it. Joe Perry. We can go to his YouTube channel. He has his Twitter here. He has 73,000 people following him, and he did a video about it, and I did watch it yesterday. He's talking about it too. He's a big YouTuber. That's why I'm interested in this project, and I think it will do well in the future. You have nothing to lose. You don't have to spend the money to participate in this project if you like to. This is not a financial advice. This is just me sharing with you this token because I'm participating in this airdrop. So if you would like to do too, so don't hesitate to do it. It's your money, it's your decision. Nothing to lose. Free airdrops. So guys, if you like this video so far, don't hesitate to like and subscribe for future gem coins that's gonna make us more money in the future. Thank you guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe.